Which small TV is actually good for your kitchen? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Amazon Echo Show 15. First up is the Amazon Echo Show 15, which caught my eye with its stunning 15.6 Full HD display. Priced at $299.99, it's designed not just as a TV but as a full kitchen hub. If you want a smart kitchen companion that keeps you organized and entertained, this is worth a serious look. The Echo Show 15 is more than just a pretty screen. The built-in Fire TV allows you to stream Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube, so you can catch up on your shows while cooking. The 3.3x zoom camera means video calls with family are a breeze, and the customizable widgets keep your calendar and to-do lists visible. This means you don't have to juggle your phone and cooking at the same time. With over 5,800 reviews averaging 4.4 stars, people are loving it. Now, some people mention that the overall size may be a bit much for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you have the counter space, the organizational features and streaming capabilities really make it worth it. It's a great fit for those who want more than just a TV. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional device that helps you manage your kitchen. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple, basic TV without all the smart features. But at $299.99, you're investing in convenience and entertainment. Now, if the price of the Echo Show 15 seems a bit steep for what you want, the next option is a more budget-friendly choice. Product number 2, Fei 15.6-inch Smart TV. Next, we have the Fei 15.6-inch Small Smart TV priced at $159.99. This little gem offers 1080p HD resolution and is compact enough for any kitchen space. If you're looking for a straightforward entertainment solution, this is worth a serious look. Plus, its 15.6-inch screen is ideal for close-up viewing in a kitchen setting, making it perfect for following cooking tutorials. The 3 HDMI ports and USB input mean you can connect your game consoles or even a DVD player easily. With a solid 4-star rating from over 200 reviews, it's proving popular among users. Now, some people did complain about the lack of support for certain cable services, which can be a deal-breaker if you rely on those. But honestly, if you're mainly streaming content, this TV delivers great value for the price without compromising on features. This is perfect for you if you want a smart TV that won't take up much space and can easily fit into your kitchen or RV. Skip this one if you absolutely need cable service integration. At under $160, it's a great budget option. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 3, Fei 14-inch Small TV. Coming in at a budget price of $103.99 is the Fei 14-inch Small TV. This is a non-smart option but offers great value for those who just want basic functionality. If you need a simple kitchen TV without the bells and whistles, this is worth a serious look. The 14-inch screen is perfect for small kitchens, offering HD picture quality thanks to its high-definition display. The built-in digital tuner means you can access local channels, which is fantastic for watching your favorite shows while cooking. It also features multiple connectivity options, including HDMI and USB, so you can connect a TV stick or other devices easily. With a 4.1-star rating from over 360 reviews, it's a solid choice for basic viewing. However, if you're okay with streaming and local channels, the price makes it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, compact TV for your kitchen or RV. Skip this one if you need access to cable services. At $103.99, you're getting a reliable small TV that's easy on the wallet. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more high-tech, let's check out the SYLVOX Kitchen TV. Product number 4, SYLVOX Kitchen TV. The next option is the SYLVOX Kitchen TV, priced at $299. This 15.6-inch smart TV is designed specifically for kitchens and offers Google TV functionality. If you want a compact yet feature-rich TV for your cooking space, this is worth a serious look. The 1080p display ensures you get sharp visuals, and the built-in speakers deliver clear audio, enhancing your viewing experience. Plus, its installation flexibility means you can mount it under cabinets or on the wall, saving counter space. With a rating of 4.1 stars from 115 reviews, it's getting some love from kitchen enthusiasts. However, a few users have pointed out that the installation might require some additional tools, which can be a hassle. But if you have the right setup, the usability and smart features more than make up for it. This is perfect for you if you're a tech-savvy cook who wants to integrate smart technology into your kitchen. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional TV setup. At $299, you're paying for smart features that enhance your cooking experience. If you're still looking for something portable, let's take a look at our last option. Product number 5. Othoig 12.5-inch Portable TV. Finally, we have the Othoig 12.5-inch portable TV priced at $93.49. This compact TV is perfect for those who want something lightweight and easy to carry. If you need a portable option for your kitchen or while camping, this is worth a serious look. Its built-in speakers provide decent audio quality, making it suitable for various settings. Plus, with HDMI and USB inputs, you can connect it to your devices effortlessly. With a solid 4.3-star rating from over 200 reviews, users appreciate its versatility. Some customers mentioned that the smaller screen size can be limiting for group viewing. However, if you're planning to use it in tight spaces or on the go, this is actually an advantage as it's super easy to set up and move around. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight and portable option for your kitchen or RV. Skip this one if you need a larger screen for family movie nights. At under $100, it's an affordable option that packs in decent features. So to recap, the Amazon Echo Show 15 is a multifunctional hub. The Fei 15.6 offers great streaming. The Fei 14-inch is a budget-friendly option. The SYLVOX Kitchen TV is tech-savvy, and the Othoig Portable TV is perfect for on-the-go use. Each has its own strengths, so consider what fits best with your kitchen needs.